Okay, now it's time on TikTok when I blow your mind. Ready? Hi, my name is Becky Thompson. If it's the first time you're seeing me, I love Taylor Swift and I love math and I'm a little weird. Let's do it. So I've been on a quest my entire life to understand everything. And when I studied ancient mathematics, I learned about Babylonian symbols and Egyptian symbols and Mayan symbols and of course Hindu-Arabic numeration. But something was missing because there was like a gap. And no matter what my research, no matter how many professors I talked to, there were people who I was like, how did we get our glyphs, right? So I went on a deep research to try to figure it out. And it has to do with language, symbology, number, and astronomy. It's fascinating. Ready for it? Here you go. So it starts with the symbol 1. And yes, 1 is linked to the letter I on purpose because I and 1. Okay, if you don't read this book a lot, this might make you mad, but it's still true. I am is 1. And it's on purpose for that. You need to remember that our ancient symbology comes from language, and our language comes from people who were writing down the history of all things. That's why religion and astronomy are linked. Okay, so this glyph. So this is the diminutive form of the letter I, which is also the number 1. And this, you can't make this up. This is real. Now you'll think I'm insane, but this is the Hebrew letter Yod. It's essentially a dot. Yod, yeah, say it 1,000 times, and what else does it sound like? So this is the 1 of a person, and that is the blip of Yod. And as you age, as you get mature, you link the 2. That's how we get this. And it's how we get this. To understand this symbol, you have to understand astronomy and the symbols of all of the planets. In this exact moment, I want us to look at that. It's a moon crescent. Now, remember, like the game telephone, these things have iterated over actual millennia. But this, the crescent. And it's not from like 1-2 points as like certain websites will show you. It's not. It's the moon crescent above the horizon. 2. Because the horizon is Earth, the Earth plane. And the moon glyph is the secondary. It's Earth and the moon. That's where we get 2. Because we've got Mother Earth and we have Father Sky. Don't shoot the messenger. This symbol, okay, yes, it has iterated of the 3 points. 1, 2, 3, okay, yes, true. But it also is 2 circle crescents and has to do with another symbol that you're going to recognize. This symbol, with which any math teacher, of course, will tell you is infinity. Well, let's look when we do this. Of course, we know this symbol. There's another letter. If you highlight certain parts of it, you have the incompletion. I mean, I don't know, but you tell me. Let's move on. The next 2 numbers are absolutely indisputable. And I showed you about them the other day in a different video. Oh, look. Oh, look. That's the moon and the cross of Earth and the cross of Earth and the moon. You might say I'm a dreamer. But wait, there's more. What about this guy? What about that guy? Right? Come on. This guy and his friend, his counterpart, upside down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If you put those 2 bad boys together, let's just trace with my finger. There's one of them, right? I need my finger to be bigger, I guess. There's one of them. And then the other one goes that way. So when we Maria von Trapp this thing, right? Let's start at the very beginning. It's a very good place to start. When you read, you begin with ABC. When you sing, you begin with do, re, mi. When you count, you begin with 1, 2, 3. And when you're going to count, you need to know why. So if you've ever around a toddler or another small child, or if you're an elementary school teacher and a kid goes, why? Feel free to show them this video and then give them a homework assignment to make sure to look out at the night sky with their family. Because we have light polluted almost our entire world, and the reality is, that is, okay, don't get mad at me. That is block